Hello all, in this video we will see how to create a data frame from a list. Okay, let us start. First of all, let us import pandas as PD. Okay, that's the short thing that we are going to use, and let us assume we have a list underscore one. Okay, so list, let us assume we have numbers 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, this is the simplest list that we are going to use. And to create a data frame, let us assume data frame underscore 1, you have to use a constructor called data frame. So this constructor is part of pandas. So pd dot data frame of list underscore one. Okay, so that's what we are going to convert. That's how we are going to convert a data frame. A list into a data frame, right? And then let us try to print that data frame. Okay, so you can see list is created, and then data frame constructor is used, and it is assigned to data frame underscore one. And let us try to run this. Okay, you can see here the data frame is created with the items 1 to 7 with the list of items that have been created. So there are 7 rows, and if you see here, this dataset name, the column is not is populated automatically here. Okay, so this also you can list if required. For that we can use a dictionary. Okay, let us underscore one is equal to, okay, let us assume there is a string name. Okay, and then you have a list for that, a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, and then you have something called roll, which is actually a roll number. Okay, and you can have 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so this is a dictionary, and the same thing that what we did here, we can actually create another data frame. You can assign it to the same and print off, print of data frame. So we have to print this data frame. Let us try to run this, and you can see here there is an error here. So this is not recognized as a character. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to add column against each item, and let us try to run this. And you can see here there is a name, there is role, and 0 1 2 3, and you can see that a data frame is created. So this is how we can create a data frame from a list and also a dictionary. Hope it is clear. Please post if you have any questions. Thank you.